Go ahead, Mr. How you doing, sir? Who am I dealing with, please? I didn't hear you. Clarence Thomas, thank you. How you doing? And Imani Fogo L, this is my nationality card. I'm a Moorish American national. I am Imani Kifenti Fogo L. I'm a Moorish American national. This is my nationality card.
Okay, so just in case you're wondering what's going on here, we have a Moorish American national in the airport trying to use his nationality card as a passport. His nationality card probably looks something similar to this. And sir, I'm sorry, but this nationality card will not pass as a passport.
Immigration form? Well, you see, I'm not an immigrant. All I need to show is this right here. I'm not an immigrant. This is all I need to show right here. I'm a national. I'm a Moorish American national. This is all I'm required to show.
Wrong.
But that's an immigrant form. I'm not an immigrant. I'm a national.
Yes, nationals must fill form as well.
No.
So does the Prime Minister, the Governor General?
No. I'm protected by rights of indigenous people. I'm indigenous to this land.
Excuse me, Mr. L. I'm sorry to burst your bubble, but you are not indigenous to the land. Stop it.
See, what you need is if I fill that out, I give up my status as sovereign. This is all I need. Not well. You need to take this to your supervisor.
No. I need you to say.
I need you to say if you're not going to take this card or not. That's what.
But I'm saying you must fill an immigration form.
But I'm not an immigrant. Why do I need an immigration form if I'm not an immigrant? Okay. I traveled to North America, right? I'm back in South America. This is South America. I did not go overseas. Yeah. I did not go overseas. I stayed on the American continent. If you read this card tells you that I am a national of the American continent.
Excuse me, Mr. L. It doesn't matter what it says on that card. Your Internet Moorish Nationality Card means nothing. Why would they care what is written on that card? Anything written on that card is clearly to benefit you. There is no government officials that accept your nationality card. Put that silly thing back in your pocket.
I am not a foreigner. This is my land. If I'm going from my bathroom to my kitchen, why do I need permission from it? The continent. Antigua is sitting on South America. No, Antigua is a corporation. Antigua has nothing to do with the dirt.
You've encompassed all of it?
Yes.
Okay, no problem.
All I want to hear is if you're going to accept the card or not.
Okay, Mr. L, I'll answer that question for you. They will not accept your nationality card as a passport. Your nationality card is not a substitute for a passport. Put your $50 card back in your pocket and produce your passport now.
All the time.
Good afternoon. Who am I dealing with, please?
This is Senior Supervisor Daly.
What's your first name?
Donnelly Daly.
Okay, thank you.
All right.
Yes.
The officer said to me that you have presented just an ID.
A nationality card. A nationality card.
All right. And your passport, do you have that with you?
I don't need to show passport once I show this. It's a nationality
I'm not
card.
asking you if you know whether you need to show it or not. I'm asking if you have a passport in your possession.
Okay, I have a question for you. I asked you a question, you asked me a question.
I would really appreciate if you just answer the questions, and I'll give you the opportunity to ask me questions now.
Oh, bear with me just a little bit, right?
Do you have a passport?
I just want to know, are you going to accept this or not?
Sir, I have already answered that question. They are not going to accept your nationality card.
Sir?
Yes?
I just need to know if you have a passport in your possession.
With this, I do not need a passport. I just want to know if you're going to accept this or not, then we can move on.
Sir?
Yes, ma'am.
I need to know if you have a passport.
I I need to know if you're going to accept that. Yes, ma'am.
No, thank you.
Yes, ma'am. How you doing, sir?
How do you do?
I'm doing fantastic and amazing, sir. Just trying
Nice to see you again.
All right.
Ask me now, what is the problem again?
I just trying to exercise my rights.
Hold on. I can't do something like this. I can't do something like this.
So wait, wait. I just want to. Yes, he does. Yes, he does. So okay. So I just want to know if you're gonna accept that or not.
No, we don't accept it.
So I just want to know if you're gonna accept that or not.
No, we don't accept it.
Sir, I already told you numerous times that they weren't going to accept your nationality card. Throw that thing in the garbage.
So I just want to know if you're gonna accept that or not.
No, we don't accept it.
All right, that's all I want her to say.
No, we don't.
And all right, not gonna argue. I do have a passport. Not gonna argue. I do have a passport. Not gonna argue. I do have a passport.
I mean, then I'll get trouble going.
It's not trouble. I'm exercising my right.
But I exercise the right, you can't work.
You don't. What are you saying? It's mine. What do you mean I can't exercise my right here? You have to remember that you're government.
You know what?
You're government, and the only function of government is to protect my pre-existing birthright.
What are we telling you? That never work. Because from the government accept that.
No, your government's a corporation. My government has control of the land.
Okay, but my government pay me.
He pay you?
For me to just go on here.
Your government get money from my signature.
Well, I don't know that.
That's why I'm trying to teach you other things that you don't know.
You don't teach me. It comes to my government. That's the one government. You say me. That's your government.
Let's talk. Gaston Brown is a public servant. I'm public. He's my servant.
So hold on.
Yes.
Your government declared. But I'm telling you, I work with this Antigua government.
Antigua government is my servant. I am the law.
Okay. Well,
I'm a Moorish American national. Yes, show me. Show me.
It's called memo.
Yes.
And until I get that memo, we go according to what we need.
I'm a Moorish American national. Yes, show me. Show me.
It's called memo.
Yes.
And until I get that memo, we go according to what we need.
I understand what you're saying.
And
But, wait, no, it's not closed. Ignorance of the law is no excuse.
Take care of you.
Good talking to you, sir. Don't need a work permit.
What? You have an Antiguan passport?
Don't need an Antiguan passport. I'm a national. I'm a Moorish American national. I'm in communication with, and it marks my rights are being violated. This is my soil. This is my land. I don't need their permission. See, to ask me for time, that's called extortion. This is my soil, my ancestral estate.
Anyone came on the flight? I have a flight time today, but I have the 3:15.
Yes, sir.
Every time you come to here, you give us problems.
You think it's problem for you?
No,
I'm exercising my right.
Your right of what?
I am a national. I'm a Moorish American national. I'm standing on my ancestral estate of the Americas.
Let me explain something. The next time that you come here,
yes,
I'm going to refuse the entry. If you do not follow the rules and guidelines of Antigua,
you need to follow the rules of the Constitution.
Which Constitution?
That is the law of the American continent, the land.
This is Antigua.
No, it's not.
This is not Antigua?
No, it's not. Antigua is a corporation.
Let me explain to you. The next time that you come here, you give your document or else you will be refusing.
You cannot tell me what to do. That's called slavery.
Okay.
All right.
Fine. I will explain. You have 1 month to go and get your status.
You cannot tell me what to do on my ancestral estate.
And you.
That's called extortion.
You know, extortion.
You are not the law, sir. I heard you, but I'm going to do my thing to exercise my rights.
Okay.
I have rights. I'm exercising my rights, and it's a problem with you. I will always exercise my rights. I know my rights. I'm a Moorish American national. You said what you said. I heard you, but I'm not listening. I heard you, but I'm not listening. You're not in charge of me. I'll refuse my entry. You too.
Okay, so this video serves as proof that a Moorish American nationality card will not work in replacement to a passport. If you're going from one country to another, your nationality card will not work. You need a passport. So don't let these Moorish sovereigns lie to you. All they want to do is take your money. Now, this particular Moorish sovereign, he spent his $50 for his nationality card, so he wanted to put it to the test, because I'm sure they sold him on a dream that you can use this card in the airports to go from country to country. Well, ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, that did not work. And he had an inclination that it didn't work, which is why he also carried his passport with him. Because if he truly thought in his mind that his nationality card would work and would allow him to go from country to country, he would not have brung his passport with him. Now, you saw what the supervisor told him. He told him, no, we do not accept those cards here. TSA will not let you go from country to country with a nationality card. Game over.
Game over, yeah!